guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be YouTube essential products for a content creator, a new content creator, just things that I use in order to create the best type of videos that I like to record, and just things that are affordable. All of these things probably are from Amazon. If they were not from Amazon, they were gifted to me. The first thing I'm going to start out with is lighting. For me, I don't shoot on my phone for the most part when it comes to YouTube, but if you shoot on your phone, you can shoot in natural lighting. Example, right now I'm using a ring light to shoot this video. I will show you guys the setup, but it pretty much is my main source of lighting. I do a lot of these videos midday times in the winter time. There's no sunlight. I like the extra oomph that the lighting gives when I don't have the best natural lighting. But I use the NEEWER. I got this as a gift from my mom. I think it was from Amazon. Amazon was out back then. This was way before I started college. I think that was like 2016, 2015, something around that range when I just started my YouTube channel. And it came with a tripod. It also came with the plug-in ring light. It twists different dials for dark and light. Honestly, it was a really good investment because it's lasted me this long. I've had this since I started YouTube, which was almost 5 or 6 years ago, if I'm not mistaken. For someone who's a beginner, this is a really good investment. It'll last you a long time. All you have to do is plug it in and turn the dial up to the brightest setting or even the lowest setting if you want that. Another brand I use is the ULANZI. Is that how you pronounce it? ULANZI light. I use this for my vlogging camera. I attach onto the top of my camera basically for lighting. You can also attach just on top of, like using for a Canon. You can use this for photos depending on how bright it is and how much you want the brightness. I use this for my vlogging camera just specifically at night. Let's say if I'm in a dark restaurant or I'm in a car and I can't use the lighting, I use this. You can turn it on in the back. It has this on and off button. I believe that these are dials to lighter settings, but I just switched that on and it gives me that effect. It looks better obviously at night. But one tip I would give you if you're setting up your lighting, I would say always have the ring light. I will show you guys my setup. Always have the ring light coming down. You can adjust the ring light to go lower. It'll help the light shine down on you and it'll just give you a more overall cinematic effect for your sit down videos, and I feel like it looks the best that way. Next thing I'm going to discuss is cameras. First thing I will say is that you do not need to invest in a expensive camera. You can use this handy dandy thing that you have right here on your phone. You can vlog, you can set this up on a tripod, but this is definitely something you could film on, especially if you're a beginner and you don't have the money to spend. If you have an iPhone, you could definitely use this. Just make sure it's shot in 4K and have all the settings preset, and always film on your back camera because the back camera always has the best quality videos. For my main camera, I use the Canon EOS Rebel SL2. This one is really good for photos if you also do Instagram or anything like that. But I use it for my sit down videos sometimes. Obviously, I'm using the Sony ZV-1F because this is more for my makeup tutorials. I do have a wide lens also for this, but I feel like this one isn't as good as the Sony ZV-1F when it comes to sit down videos, just for the overall look that I'm trying to create. This will show all your pores, everything you got on your face. So if you like that type of video, like skincare, stuff like that, I feel like this is the perfect camera for you. I got this for a graduation gift, so I didn't buy it myself. I feel like it's still a good camera to invest in, especially for those that don't want to spend over $1,000. I feel like this is kind of affordable. You could probably buy it from B&H Studios. I think they sell used or refurbished cameras if I'm not mistaken. This is where I got that actual camera from. The camera that I'm filming on now is my Sony ZV-1F. I love this camera because there's so many great settings. You can set it to a wide lens, which I really like for vlogs and sit down videos, but also specifically for vlogs because you want to get the whole environment. I feel like it was a great investment. I got it on sale for Best Buy. It was an impulse purchase at the time, but you can do it in installments if you're not ready to pay for it all at once. Again, you don't have to buy a camera if you're not ready to, but if you're looking for a vlogging camera or even a sit down video, I feel like this is a 2-in-1 special. It's $400 and change, I believe, on sale. But I would wait until these cameras go on sale because they do at certain points of the year. It doesn't make sense to buy it full price unless you really want it at that moment and you're ready to start your YouTube channel. So next thing I would say is the tripods. This same brand as the lighting, a tripod. It's this small tripod. It's really good because it has like 3 legs like this, and it also extends. That's what I use to shoot vlogging content because I love getting those really nice different shots of every angle. I kind of like a more cinematic look to my vlogs, and I feel like it's always telling a story. And I really like the way that I film the vlogs. And if you guys are interested, I will make a separate video for how to film vlogs if you're interested in those type of style vlogs. But I just like this one because you can also twist this to make it tight, so it'll be straight for where you want it to be, but you can also bend it down for those lower shots if you want to basically have something on focus on a lower shot or overhead of the video. I really like this. And I also got this from Amazon. It's a really good brand. Honestly, it's been working so well for me. So compact. Like, imagine bringing this in a bag and just having your Sony ZV-1F. Like, this is literally the lightest vlogging camera I've ever had. And I have this PHOPIK. That's what I have my camera on. I got it as a gift from one of my older friends. He got it for me in college and he sent it to me, shipped it to me. It was really amazing because I love the fact that he was supporting my dreams and decided to invest in it. It also has its own Bluetooth, so you can connect it to a camera or a phone to take your own pictures, which I didn't know until yesterday when I was filming. Like, I was like, this man is so nice. Why, like, how did he think of all of these things when I was starting my YouTube? But you can use this tripod for pictures or even for just a sit down video. It helps you to get that elevated look, especially when you want to do these sit down videos, especially if you don't have a solid background. Like, I'm filming in my room, so having this and having an angle to have my videos, it sets the camera straight, it keeps the camera looking good and just really in place. It's just the basic starter kit for a content creator. I hope this was very helpful for you. I hope that you like, comment, and subscribe. And if you want to see more videos like this, please comment down below, like the video. I would love it if you subscribe. But thank you guys so much for watching. See you guys in the next video.